Hey there. If you've been searching for an awesome money making trading strategy, especially for the gold chart, you're in for a treat. I've discovered an incredibly accurate strategy that uses just two free indicators on TradingView. The best part, you can use it on other pairs too, so don't be shy about giving it a shot. Here's the game plan for this video. I'll walk you through a couple of different examples, share the results of a 100 trade backtest, and by the end, show you how to turn this into a fully automated bot with alerts. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. First, let's head over to the indicator section on TradingView. We're looking for the pivot point supertrend indicator. Once you find it, click to add it to your chart. Trust me, this indicator is a game changer. Now, let's optimize it for the gold chart. Open the settings window and go to the inputs tab. Here's what to do. Set the pivot point period to 7. Change the ATR factor to 1. I'll explain why later. Adjust the ATR period to 9. These tweaks make the indicator more responsive to price movements. Next, enable the buy-sell label option. This will display buy and sell signals directly on your chart. Disable any other options to keep things clean and uncluttered. Switch over to the Style tab and turn off everything except the buy and sell signals. Set the buy label to appear below the bars and the sell label above. This makes it super easy to spot trading opportunities at a glance. Now, while the pivot point supertrend is great, we need a second indicator to confirm momentum and filter out weaker signals. Enter the TMA overlay indicator by RD, FXC, go back to the indicator section, search for TMA overlay and add it to your chart. This indicator highlights market momentum by combining smooth moving averages with engulfing candle patterns. In the settings for the TMA overlay, enable the show 100 line and show trend fill options. Turn off everything else to keep it simple. With both indicators set up, we now have a powerful combination to identify trends, filter signals, and make more informed trading decisions. The TMA overlay creates a colorful ribbon effect that tells us the market's trend green ribbon price is above the ribbon, indicating an uptrend. Red ribbon price is below the ribbon, signaling a downtrend. Use this trend direction to filter your trades. For example, during an uptrend, focus only on buy signals and ignore sell signals. Let's dive into some examples with a 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio to see how this works in real scenarios. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Here, the TMA overlay ribbon turns green, signaling an uptrend. We disregard any sell signals and focus on buy signals that align with the trend. Once a buy signal appears, set your stop loss just below the recent swing low. Target a profit that's 1.5 times the size of your risk. This slightly tighter target ensures a quicker exit while still maintaining profitability. Now let's flip the scenario. The ribbon turns red, showing a downtrend. Ignore buy signals and wait for a sell signal in line with the trend. When a sell signal comes through, place your stop loss just above the recent swing high. Set your profit target to 1.5 times your risk. This approach keeps the reward achievable while still providing an edge in risk management. Now let's dive into some examples with a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio to see how this works in real scenarios. Here, the TMA overlay ribbon turns green, showing an uptrend. We ignore any sell signals and wait for a buy signal that aligns with the trend. Once the buy signal appears, set your stop loss just below the recent swing low. Target a profit twice the size of your risk. In this case, the ribbon turns red, indicating a downtrend. We filter out buy signals and wait for a sell signal in line with the trend. When it comes, place your stop loss above the recent swing high. Aim for a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. To give you an idea of this strategy's performance, I back tested it on the Solana 15-minute chart over 100 trades spanning 14 weeks. The results, pretty amazing. But remember, you cannot be as profitable as this if you don't mix it with price action. And here is how. Watch the recommended feed levels video on your screen and you'll have whatever you need. You can turn this strategy into a fully automated bot with alerts using the other recommended videos. That way you can save time and let the system work for you. So buckle up, there's a lot to unpack. And by the time you're done, you'll have everything you need to start trading smarter. Let me know if you got any questions or ideas to make it work even better down in the comments.